put a new capacitor in. The thing wasn't kicking on right. Let's see how it works now. See if it kicks right on. Oh, that's definitely got it kicking back on right. Now whether the AC wants to trigger is another thing. That I don't know yet. Just put that back on and then we'll let that do its thing. I know when I was here before, it never did cool down. It's 97. So I just don't know if what's going on up top. So feels cool, but I don't know. It's got to wait. I'm not sure what's going on here either. I can't go upstairs and see what's happening up on top, so could be a problem up there too. But I got no way up, so at least we solved the problem down on this level. So what I can do down here, probably have to send somebody to check everything else out.